In order to activate the system, you're going to hit lock 1, 2, 3 times, and you'll see the vehicle start. Today we're going to show you remote start and the installation on this 2017 Jaguar F-Pace. This kit is good for years 2017 to 2020. To install the system in the 2017 to 2020 Jaguar F-Pace, you'll need these 3 tools. 1, a T25 screwdriver, a pry tool, plastic pry tool, and a metal pry tool. Let's get started. Now, this is going to look very intimidating. However, we're going to show you today how easy this installation really is. First, we have the actual harness that goes into the car. You'll notice a bunch of plug and play harnesses. We're going to go over each and every harness and where they belong. The first thing you're going to do is remove the plastic from under the knee bolster. There are 3 plastic clips that hold it on. You're going to just take your plastic pry tool or your metal pry tool and pull them down like such. After you pull all 3 clips, after you remove the plastic bolster, put it in a safe place. Next, you're going to reach for the OBD2 port and make it accessible. You're going to remove the T25 from under the steering column once, and now you're going to remove the other T25 from the opposite side. Place your screws in a safe place. Next, you want to split the steering column into 2 pieces. Carefully take your pry tool and pry along the split edge. Pull apart the steering column to access this green harness. Next, you're going to remove the bezel around the radio screen. Make sure to put this in a place where it can't be scratched. Next, you're going to remove the lower plastics underneath the heater control. Carefully pry out the heater control. Rest it on the dash like so. Next, you want to unplug the brake switch harness like so. I like to start the harness installation here at the hardest point, which is the brake switch. I'm going to install the T-harness like so. 1 harness there. The next harness goes here. The next harness you want to install is the OBD2 harness, like so. Make sure to lock it in. Working our way up, split the steering column plastics, like so. Reach down, pull up the green harness, unplug the harness from the steering column. You will get a little chime, that's totally normal. Plug in the T-harness like so. Making sure all your harnesses are neatly arranged, you want to take your 3-pin harness and run it up the center console to the start button. Taking a plastic snake, insert the snake into the crevice in between the center console and the sub dash. You'll see the opposite side on the end. Grab a small bit of electrical tape. Wrap the electrical tape on the harness like so. Gently pull the 3-pin harness through the dash. Once the harness is pulled through, you'll install the push to start T-harness into the 3-pin harness. Open the climate control harness, install our T-harness, like so. The final part of the installation is taking the key apart. Take your Jaguar logo chrome piece off. You're going to split the key like so. You're going to take out the battery and the chip inside like so. Next, you want to take the key box and split it in half, just like so. Take the key module and insert into the key. Next, insert the key into the safe box. Now you'll have a 2-wire connection. Now you'll have 2 harnesses left, a male and a female. That's the end of the installation. For installation of a drone, you'll just need to plug it into the telematics port like so. Now it's time to test the system. You want to ensure that every door is closed, the hood is closed, and the trunk is closed. Now you can test the system by hitting lock. You'll get a lock command, unlock. Now you get an unlock command. Finally, remote start.